something that's been around for quite a while now on Squarespace, but still not everyone knows how to do, is the ability to link a button on either your header or somewhere on the page to a section on a page. And it can be the same page or it can be another page on the site. And basically what it is an anchor link that takes the user to a specific section within a page. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you two ways where the anchor link takes you down on the same page, and then the anchor link takes you down to another page, or it will take you to another page and then down that page. So let's get into it. On our site here, you can see we've got a nice homepage set up and we've got a button here. Let's say we want to link this button down to the creative tracks to explore. So you can see here programs. If I go into the editor, I'm going to find that about button and I'm going to double click on there and I'm going to click edit. In the URL, all I need to do is a hashtag and then I'm going to say programs. Now, if I save this and I click on the button, you'll see that nothing will happen. So if I click this, it doesn't go anywhere. What it does is it just puts the programs extension in there. What we need to do is we need to go back into the editor. We need to identify the programs section, click on edit section, and then we're going to change this to program. So now if I hit save and we exit there, and now we scroll down. So now when we click on about us, that takes us down to programs. So that's how you set it up on one page. Now, let's go to another page. And let's say we go to our story. And we'll find, let's say, do we have any buttons in here? No, but what we can do is we can just create one. So we'll add a block, pop a button in. Let's make it look nice for the purposes of this video. And then all we need to do is, first of all, we're going to do / and then the page you want to link to. And then we're going to follow that with the same link in here. So if I put program in there, what happens now is, so you can see we're on the about page. We click on learn more. It's going to flick us back to the home page and straight down to programs. So all you need to do is set up the link or the section name. So we'll just recap that now. If I go back into edit, you go down into the anchor link name. I actually had to swap this to program because for some reason programs wasn't working. Don't know why. Maybe it was called something else somewhere along the page. But anyway, you add your anchor link. And then if you want to link on the same page, you just go in here and you add just the anchor link itself. If you're on a separate page, so I think that was our story, you first off want to go in here and you'll add the page name and then the anchor link straight away. And also you don't need to put like a / in like this. You can just follow the page with that anchor link. And that is that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.